Welcome to our delightful journey through vowels. Let's kick things off with short vowels, focusing first on the letter A. Picture the sound it makes in words like cap and cat. Can you hear that crispness? Moving right along, we come to the letter E, a bright sound found in words such as bed and den. Next, let's take a look at the letter I. It pops up in words like bin and fig, making them come alive. Now let's explore the letter O, which makes an exciting sound in words like mop and pot. Aren't those fun to say? Last but definitely not least, we have the letter U, shining in cheerful words like bus and sun. These short vowels bring life to our language, allowing us to craft endless words. So remember, practice makes perfect. Keep listening and speaking, because vowels are your friends, opening the door to a wonderful world of learning.
Welcome to the world of long vowels. Today, we're diving into how these vowels create their unique sounds and enrich our language. Let's begin with the letter A. In words like cake and ape, we can hear that long vowel sound ringing clearly, bright and distinct. Now let's move on to E. Think of a tall tree or a vibrant green leaf. Listen closely, there it is, the long E sound, bright and lovely. Next up is I. Picture a speedy bike racing by or a colorful kite soaring high in the sky. That I stretches long and free. Now let's glide into O. Imagine a stunning rose blooming in the spring or a sturdy boat bobbing on calm waters, each resonating with that long O sound. Finally, we wrap up with U. Envision a shiny cube or a whimsical unicorn, with U shining brightly in every delightful word. And that's long vowels for you, magically bringing words to life.